Welcome back to Transcend Tech News, where we go beyond the headlines and uncover the tech that's reshaping the future. My name is Frank. Today we are exploring how the USA used the world's deepest, heaviest, and smartest bomb to strike targets no other similar weapon could reach. Imagine a bomb so powerful, it doesn't explode on impact. It dives, it drills, it calculates, and only when it finds its target, it detonates. This isn't sci-fi, it is real, and it has just been used for the first time in history. The GBU-72 is not built to explode on contact. Its mission is to penetrate deep into Earth, breach concrete and steel, and eliminate buried targets with surgical precision. To do that, it relies on kinetic energy, the energy of motion. This formula tells us two things. A heavier bomb has more potential to hit hard. A faster bomb hits exponentially harder, because velocity is squared the equation. Double the speed and you get 4 times the energy. But what about mass? A greater mass does two things. It adds raw impact force, and it can also help maintain speed during descent, because heavier objects lose less energy to air resistance compared to lighter ones. So, when the GBU-72 drops, it's not just falling. It's accelerating like a guided meteor, gaining speed and momentum as it plummets toward its target, hitting the ground with immense energy. But hitting something underground isn't just about falling on it. It's about surviving the journey to fulfill its mission and explode to make damage. Think of the Earth as a series of protective barriers, containing dirt, stone, concrete, steel, each one pushing back the bomb. As the bomb digs deeper, 3 things work against it: friction, which slows it down; deformation, which can damage its structure; and heat, which can melt or weaken its casing. That's why the GBU-72 has an ultra-hardened tip, forged from materials that can withstand thousands of degrees and massive impact pressure. Even though I don't think your jaws can drop any further, I will still say that GBU-72 also has a smart guidance system. Now, even my jaw has dropped. But I am fine. I promise, guys. Let's move on. This bomb doesn't just fall. It adjusts its angle, speed, and even path while underground, like a high-tech mole sniffing out its prey. And timing matters. Detonate too early, and the energy spreads outward, escaping to the surface. Detonate deep enough, and the pressure waves get trapped, reflected, and magnified within the underground cavity. The result? Destruction. As impressive as the GBU-72 is, it has a big brother, the GBU-57, also known as Massive Ordnance Penetrator, or just MOP. Weighing 13 tons, it's the heaviest precision-guided bomb in the world, and the smartest in the world in its profession of underground targets. It can drill through 60 meters of reinforced concrete and earth, and only one aircraft can carry it, the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. GBU-57 had never been used in actual combat. That changed on June 21, 2025, just after midnight. 7 B-2 bombers lifted silently from US soil. Their mission, Operation Midnight Hammer. Their targets, Iran's main nuclear facilities, Fordow, Natanz, and Esfahan. Their orders, maximum precision, 0 civilian casualties. The GBU-57 dove deep beneath the Iranian mountains, found its mark and detonated exactly where no other bomb on Earth could reach, completing its mission. Other countries, including Russia and China, are racing to develop similar bunker-busting technology. But so far, none match the depth, accuracy, or adaptive intelligence of the GBU family. These weapons are more than tools of destruction. They are demonstrations of what engineering, math, and software can do when combined for better or worse. Weapons like these challenge what is possible, but they also force us to think about responsibility. That is why we don't just look at what these technologies can do. We ask why they're being used and what comes next. Now you know how these bombs works. They calculate, drill, survive, and strike. A 13-ton precision weapon engineered to outsmart concrete, steel, and strategy. If you want more interesting tech explained clearly, from breakthrough weapons to game-changing machines and AI, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what I should break down next. Thanks for watching. My name is Frank, from Transcend Tech News, where we go beyond the headlines and uncover the tech that's reshaping the future.